See this guys, by just promoting this product I can earn 90% commission. Okay, you can see other product, $174 product, and I can earn 50% of this commission by promoting it. You want to know guys how can I do it? Just watch along this video and I'll show you step by step guys, with zero investment how you yourself can earn a good amount of money from this website by absolutely doing nothing. You just need to copy paste things, and that's simple guys, that's simple. Just watch along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn good amount of money from this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling someone else's product on Google sites. Yes guys, you do not have to create your own website for selling someone else's product. You can do it on your own. Okay, how to do it? I just show you guys. Zero investment. Okay, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, just show you some tricks and tips which will make you, help you to earn money online by just following these simple steps. Okay, so how can we do it? Let's see. Okay, so Digistore24 is a platform guys where there are hundreds and hundreds of people who are just posting their products, and they want people to promote their products and earn good amount of affiliate money, okay, and earn good amount of commission from their products. So actually guys, next to ClickBank, Digistore24 can give you up to 90% of the product's commission. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Yes guys, I'll show you, don't worry, I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, so it's a good platform. You can see guys, we can do it online. Okay, huge affiliate marketplace. So how to register, how to create our own website free. Okay, I just show you, just follow these simple steps. So what we need to do guys, first we need to just click on this link. Okay, just click on and just sign up for free. Okay, so we do it as a vendor and affiliate. Okay, don't worry. So what you need to do guys, you can see username. We just need to enter our username. I just quickly do it. Okay guys, this is my username. Okay, and this is my affiliate link guys. Okay, which is automatically generated by this website. Okay, and just give your mail ID. Okay, and just repeat it. Okay guys, so I just show you step by step guys, don't worry. Your password guys, okay, and okay, it's a mediocre password. Okay, now it's good. Okay, now it's good. So this is your password. Okay, so give your extra title if you want. Okay, your name you can give. Okay, and your last name. Okay, your company name if it is, you can give. I just wanna tell you that guys, just fill this star. Okay, because these are mandatory things. Okay, you can give it in whatever country you are living in guys, you can just give it. Okay, 58. Okay, I just gave. And your phone number guys, it's very important. Okay, it's very important. Okay, just click on these check boxes. Okay, and just click on this register free now. Okay, just click on this thing. Okay, and you can see guys, congratulations, a confirmation link is sent on my mail ID. Okay, I just check it. Yes guys, a confirmation mail is there. You just need to click on this confirmation link. Okay, just click on this and activate your account. Okay, please put the password. Okay, just click on this and I just do the verification part. Okay, so guys, my email ID is confirmed. So what do I need to do guys? Okay, I just enter my mail ID, okay, and just my password. Okay, just click on this login button. Okay, so it will do the login part. I'm not skipping any part, guys. Why? Because I want you guys to follow these step-by-step process. Okay guys, I don't want to miss a single a single moment, so that you guys do not have face any problem. Okay, so before you sell or promote, please verify your mobile number. Okay guys, I just need to verify and just click on this, please verify it. Okay, so you should guys verify your mobile number on this website. And what you need to do, guys, I just tell you. Okay, so just come up on this marketplace. Okay, just click on this marketplace, and you can see, guys, just need to click on this, and you can see my offer on affiliate market. Okay, so you can see, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of products, hundreds of products. You can see food and drink, you can see, guys. Okay, whatever the product name, wait a second, the strongly recommend not to estimate. Okay, let's see some other products, all offers. Okay guys, these you need to click on this all offers for affiliate. Okay, so these are, you can see, guys, 90% commission you can get. Okay, if you sell this at $44, okay, you can just earn a commission. So what is 90% of 44? I just show you online calculator. Okay, just selling one product. Okay guys, just selling one product, 90% commission. Okay, 44.4 into 90%. Okay, 0.9% of it is $39 in my pocket, guys, by just selling this product. Okay, and you can see 50% commission by just selling this $174. Okay, and you can see, guys, lots and lots of products you can see out there who are just gave you actual payment while just promoting them. And what is there, guys, I just show you. You can see this, you can see cart conversation. Okay, you can see, guys, and cancellation rate is 15%, don't worry about it. And you can see, guys, 9% means cart conversion means, guys, out of 10. Okay, you can out of 100, I can say 9 people will always buy your product. Okay, so 9 into 9, if I do out of 100, guys, $359 in my pocket. Okay, by just selling this average rate. And don't worry, guys, I do not do any kind of thing. You can see. Okay, just click on this promote now, and you can generate this link. You can see, guys, this is my link. Okay, this is my promotion link. So I just need to copy this thing. Okay, just need to copy this thing and just sell it online. Okay, and don't worry, guys, how to do it, I just show you step by step. Don't worry, I just show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to first create a Google Sites. So you just type on Google Sites. Okay, and you can see, guys, you just need to come up here and just need to sign in. Okay, on this Google. So I just take a random template. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of templates. So I just create a random template and just show you how you yourself can create your own sites. Okay, so Google will provide you free hosting on their platform. Okay, it's absolutely good, guys. Okay, so let me just see, guys, let me just take this product. Okay, let me just take this product. Okay, if I just want to promote this product. Okay, so if I just copy this product, okay, and just see it on the store how it looks like. Okay, so that I can relate how people are actually earning. So you can see this, guys, this is a page which will give them the insight that how to buy the things. Okay, you can see. So what do I need to do, guys? I just come up on this my site. Okay, this is my site. Okay, so you can see, guys, I just need to do one thing, guys. Just need to if I want to promote this product, what I need to do, just come up on the store. Okay, just come up on the store. So this is the product name. Okay, I just need to copy this thing and just post it on here. Okay, you can see, just post it. Okay, so you can see, and you can do the size part. You can see, guys, you can bold it down. Okay, and you can create the size. Okay, not a subtitle, it's a title. Okay, it's too huge. Heading. Okay, so you can see that how I have managed. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, so this is how I did, and just need to make it center. Okay, so this is how you need to do, and you can change the colors as well, guys. Okay, you can see I can change the colors. Okay, so in the welcome, what you need to do, I just show you step by step, guys. You can see 24 lifetime access, and just copy this thing and just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, you can see, guys, I have just created, in front of you guys. You can see if I want to take a screenshot of this and just post it at the back of this, you can see if I can upload this image as well, guys. Okay, so what do I need to do? I just this Tube Master. Okay, let's check save image if I can. Okay, if I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, guys, I can do it. Okay, just click on this right button and click on this save image. Okay, and what do I need to do? Just click on this change and upload it. Okay, and on the desktop you can see Tube. What is Tube Master monetization? Okay, you can see, guys. Okay, so it's good. Okay, it's look better. Okay, you can change the color as well, guys. Okay, you can do it on your own, guys. Okay, the designing part I can't, because you guys are good in designing. Okay, so I left it on your shoes. Okay, so you can see, guys, what do I need to do? Just a short description about the product. Okay, so what is a short description? You can see this intro to this monetization. So just copy paste this thing. Okay, just copy this description. Okay, and copy this. You can see, guys, copy this. Okay, I just gave the description. So what it is, you can see, guys. Okay, you just need to paste it. Okay, so this is the link that you can do. Okay, I just need to do one thing, guys. Wait a second. Or I just need to. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, this is fine, and you can see, guys, you can also change this thing as well. Okay, you just need to give the name. Want to buy. Okay, so you can give the link, and on the link what you need to do, guys, what is your promotional link? Okay, this is my promotional link. I just need to copy it. Okay, just need to copy it. You can do it on this way as well. Okay, so just need to copy this link and just paste it here. Okay, your promotional link, you just need to paste it here. Okay, so just copy it and just paste it here. You can see, guys, this is my just need to click on this update, and guys, whomever just click on this who wants to buy this product can just click on this thing. Okay, you can see you can give the description about some people as well. Okay, guys, you can give a description about these people. You can see how people are actually earned, who are the happy faces. Okay, you can give the promotional details as well. You can just need to click on this save image. Okay, guys, what you need to do, you just need to click on this save image and just post it here. Okay, you just need to what do I need to do, guys? Just delete it. Okay, and you can even manage it, just drag and drop. Okay, if I just want to select it, okay, let me just do it, guys. Okay, if I want to edit it, so what do I need to do? So these are the happy faces, guys. Okay, and I can utilize these happy faces by this description. Okay, just click on this copy button and just need to paste it. Okay, just need to paste it. You can see, guys. Okay, so you just take another paragraph. Okay, just copy it, and I'll show you guys how it's easy. Okay, everyone out there can do it. Okay, just it takes some seconds. Okay, why I spend so much time in order to give you detail, guys, so that you cannot waste your single moment of your time. Okay, single moment of your time, you do not waste it. Okay, so what do I need to do, guys? You can see this is okay. So duplicate, set background, delete section. Okay, I can do the other things as well. Okay, so now now you know this thing, guys. I have just shown you a simple thing, and I just need to give a site name. Okay, so you can give the product name as well, YouTube Mastery and Monetization. Okay, so YouTube Mastery and Monetization, this is a site name that I want to give. Okay, so just give it YouTube site and monetization. Okay, this is, and just need to click on this publish button. Okay, so this is my publish name. You can see, guys. Okay, you can see this is my link, or we can say that web address. Just need to click on this publish. Okay, let's see, guys, let's see what it see, and it's successful, guys. I just need to click on this view button, and I can see my site. You can see, guys. Okay, you can see anyone wants to buy this product, just need to click on this image, and it will get redirected to this page, and they can earn a good amount of money. You can do the other thing. You can see, guys, you can also paste these things as well on your product reviews. Okay, you can just post it here. You can do the modifications on your own, guys. Okay, I just show you a demo that how it actually works. Okay, guys, so this is the way how you can earn money, guys. It's absolutely simple. For this, guys, please hit the like button. Okay, because I have created a website for you. You can see a website. Okay, free SSL. You can see free website on this online platform, and anyone can buy this product through your link, and it has gone viral. Okay, so another way I'm just gonna tell you, guys, so that your earning is gonna boost. Okay, 10 times. So what do? I just come up on Facebook. Okay, and I just show you the targeted audience, guys. I just wanna show you the targeted audience. Do have a research on your product. It is YouTube Mastery. Okay, YouTube Mastery. So the ones who want to buy YouTube products, I just need to type YouTube. Okay, YouTube. I just need to buy YouTube. I just need to type YouTube. You can see, guys, how many people are there, guys. Guys, I just wanna take some attention. Right now, I just want your attention. 85 million people out there. Okay, and guys, if I just come up here and just post the intended product, you can see here, I can post it. Okay, I can post it, guys. You can see, if you want to be successful on YouTube, buy this product. Or we can say that, see this product. Okay, have a look on this product. Okay, and just give your site. You can see, guys, it's absolutely simple. Okay, no Google, no Facebook is gonna ban you, because it's ultimately a Google site. Okay, if you paste your link directly, then it might lead to some errors. I don't want you to miss single opportunity, guys. You can see Tube Mastery and Monetization. People will actually know this thing, that it's genuine Google site, and they want to buy the product, and I just need to click on this post, and your sales is gonna boost. Guys, I just wanna your guys attention. You can see, guys, how much products. This is from 9 products. Okay, let me just give you, guys, $39 from one product. You can see the commission. Okay, you can see the commission. So that product, how much commission this product is offering me? Let me just see. Okay, let me just come on Digistore where it is. Yes, it is. Oh, wait a second. It is this marketplace. Okay, so this is my product. Okay, so 50% off $174. Okay, just see this. 50% off $174. 174 divided by 2. Okay, so $87 in my pocket. If I just sell it to 1,000 people, guys, how much it is? $87,000 by just posting simple thing, to my targeted audience. This is a YouTube fan fest. These are the YouTube fans who just want to earn money. Okay, so they just try this product, okay, through your link, through Google sites, which will ultimately boost your earning. If you like this video, guys, I just want to tell you that please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, so that it would be easier for you guys to relate and to earn money online. And it's not difficult, guys. If you just follow simple steps, what do I do, how I can earn good amount of money, I just show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just following some simple steps. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.